Don't put on hers. No,
Yeah.
no.
Oh, what are you doing?
What she gonna wear?
Sanitize it.
Have you heard about a yeast
Why
infection?
What? What?
What is going on?
That's no. Don't do that. Guys, clean your clothes before you share them with friends,
Flynn,
okay?
that's a really cool bandana. Take your panties off so I can get one too.
Here, you want to use it as a thong? Give it back now. I'm gonna use it in my
As
mouth.
a face mask. Yeah.
I saw the video.
We have to make this video now.
This kind of mask. Oh boy, so she
What is
took.
going on?
Where did the other pair of panties come from?
It's her own.
Okay, it looks good. Okay,
So what is she wearing?
completely unnecessary, but you know.
But
This is painful to watch.
Oh
Oh my god, it looks so... No, it doesn't. No.
It looks
it
okay.
does.
Don't lie to yourself. Don't lie
Black
to
and
yourself.
yellow are pretty nice, actually. It reminds me of Easter. You know?
Oh gosh. She's an Easter bunny.
Did you guys believe in the Easter Bunny when you were younger?
yep. Yeah, I did. Yeah.
What is the Easter bunny? All I got was coal for Easter.
For Easter?
What?
I think that was
And for Christmas.
I think that was rabbit.
Where you
And
was?
for-
Where you was? Where you burn?
I was in 18th century London. I'm an old soul in an old farm.
So now, well, okay, let's come back.
Okay, so we got some shorts coming on, replacing the dress. The dress was
Where
nice.
did the shorts come from?
The long skirt was nicer
Oh,
than the shorts for sure.
the dude gave.
Ah, and so now he's naked.
Now,
That's why they stopped and they're just looking at him.
By the end of the video, he's just completely naked.
What about you
Guys,
guys?
can I please put on my clothes again?
Okay, I guess that's his T-shirt as
What?
well.
So
Okay.
now,
So she stole
Those are pants
his
now,
shorts.
actually.
Yep.
Those are T-shirt. That's
Those
a
are
T-shirt.
pants with an easy pee hole.
with that, what?
Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
T-shirt. It's a
Oh, it's
T-shirt,
okay. Yeah. So it's another. What?
Oh gosh.
Okay, so they're
Did
pants.
she just listen? Did she just listen?
I can hear the ocean. That is weird. Why?
What is going
There's
on?
a hole in the middle of you.
There's a hole in
Your
your
pants.
pants, dear girl.
What did she
Dear
ask?
girl.
Did you see what?
You write that?
I did
You should try the X Factor.
There's a hole in your pants, dear. There it is, Flint.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay, so they're changing more and more.
Oh
More and
gosh.
more. And what is the result?
I'm nervous. What are you nervous about?
I would be
What?
nervous too.
Yeah, I'd be nervous to be fair if I was wearing shirt pants.
Shirt.
What? She's just pulling her.
What?
Don't turn around
gosh.
because there's a big hole in there.
So, have you guys been to Egypt?
Ah, now I got what we was talking about the.
See, the style's actually not that bad.
I wouldn't say that it's good.
I wouldn't say that it's good, but it's okay. You know, yellow and pink is nice. And you
The
just got
top
full
is
pink.
good. The top
Guys,
is
who are
good.
you lying to?
but-
It looks atrocious. It's awful.
All right, what do we have here? It's my grandma's scarf. You're dressed as your grandma. Why would you do that? All right. We need to do something. What are we gonna do? Let's get some scissors. Let's see if she uses them correct. Yes, finally! The thumb goes into the thumb hole of the scissors. Good job. Okay. Cutting the sleeves off. Why not? It is a nice, beautiful summer day. So we need some ventilation in there. Okay. It's my grandma's dress. What are you doing? You know what, honey? We're making it better. Okay, the other one. Come on, get on with it. Chop, chop. Hold the front part. I don't want everything to be out. Nothing's gonna be out. It's gonna be full conservative, but we're making a little twist on your grandma's dress. Okay. Really taking her time on those sleeves, isn't she? Okay. So now it's strapless. She's putting it around the jewelry to get that little support. Okay, and using a hairband, a hair clip. That's actually really smart. Okay, wow. Not bad, not bad at all. Nice. What a transformation, I gotta give you that. And she's making it shorter. There we go. It ain't your grandma's dress no more. That's for sure. Boom, and that's how it's done. Oh, you gotta tuck in the back bit. All right, look at that. What a transformation. It really worked. And now she's getting a little side slit. No, stop, that's enough. Perfect. Wow. Kind of reminds me of Wilma from the Flintstones. Why is she cutting the bag? That wasn't part of the deal. Because that bag's not of her grandma's, that's her bag. Huh. I guess it's like a clutch bag now. You can't put it over your shoulder. I mean, do we really need that string around the torso? Am I ready? Oh, she took the glasses off. Now she can't see. Why would you take the glasses off? She looked perfectly fine with the glasses. Oh, gosh. All right, look at that. What a transformation. Bish, bash, bosh, and she's a different person.
Moving on.
Next one.
Oh, we got a bride.
It's a wedding.
We got a wedding
What?
happening. It's the wedding day, and she's gonna spray paint the wedding dress.
What is she doing?
Why would
is
she do
doing that?
They're so expensive
What's the
too.
reason? Oh, and the reason is you.
And she's like, I just wasted $10,000.
Spray my dress just like now.
No, really. What's the reason why they start this?
Oh gosh.
It's just
The wedding is finished.
Maybe.
And they just okay.
That's not the bride.
Okay.
And she wore a white dress to a wedding.
Oh, and the bride was like, no.
Exactly. And her friend's like, what are you doing? Let's fix this now.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, that's the only like rational.
It looks
rational.
like they're turning it into a bridesmaid's dress.
Okay.
That would be kind of cool, actually, if the bridesmaids' dress were all just wedding dresses that were like.
Every
spray
time they
painted.
call like this, I cringe because it's so dangerous. She can just
Yeah.
easily nip her.
You need to be careful.
You could
with
easily
it.
chop her leg off. You doing that? This isn't an amputation, okay?
Oh gosh.
What is she cutting in the back?
Maybe she's separating the dress from the top part, I guess.
Probably you're right.
Oh, so it's like a
Give
separate
it a
top.
bit of a flair.
Ah, okay.
I think it's anyway. It's wasting of the.
Yeah, you're wasting materials, wasting clothes. She's like,
I was born a fashionista.
maybe the husband. Yeah. I was meant for this. The husband is a really big hippie, so he just like only likes tie dye.
She's stuck. She's stuck.
He saw her first time in the wedding. He said,
Yeah, he's like, send her back. Take her back.
Oh gosh.
Give me that tie dye.
"Ooh,
It's like
okay, not
okay.
that bad, not that
All right,
bad."
all right. But for a wedding, I really hope it's just a dress to wear to a wedding. I really hope she's not the actual bride. But she's
Why
still
she-
spraying her. Why is she still spraying her?
It's kind of fun actually. It'd be fun to just like spin around and get sprayed.
Guys, it's so toxic. This
If you
spray.
Oh,
her
true,
skin,
yeah. Okay,
Maybe
guys.
it's untoxic spray paint.
Well, I really hope it is.
Yeah,
maybe.
Guys, if you want to do this, then wear a gas mask.
Yes, and use eco spray.
Yeah, eco spray. Okay. Why did she make the red on the boobs like that?
Just to highlight it.
Yeah, they look like eyes now.
Oh gosh.
They're just looking at you, staring into your soul.
Little
Do
bits
not
of-
watch this.
little burgers.
Look away.
Excuse me.
No, because they look like little either like salamis or burgers.
This is
you
the
know.
guy she's running away with.
What is going on? Is that a ponytail at the back of the helmet?
Yeah.
A really long ponytail.
Oh, then maybe that's not a guy.
It's a girl.
She's running away with the girl. Plot twist.
Okay, plot twist. Are they eloping?
This is Rachel at the end, like right at the beginning of
Yeah.
Friends when she runs away from her wedding. That's Rachel.
Ah,
Oh,
okay.
gosh.
No.
Here's the Easter egg.
What happened before? Oh, this is the backstory.
What's the backstory? I need to know. She was at a wedding.
What? What's happening?
We completely missed that.
Her boyfriend was seen with another woman.
Oh, so she just ran away with another
woman.
on a motorbike.
He was like, if he can have another woman, so can I.
Crazy dress.
That's it.
But I want to have a crazy dress.
Why are you spray painting her butt like that? Stop.
Oh gosh. It's those crazy girls in the park again.
Oh my gosh, run away! Children, run! They're gonna spray paint your clothes. They're running at me with scissors. Mama said don't do that.
I love the wet paint sign.
Yeah, yeah.
What?
It's true.
I mean, at least they're warning people.
So, is it prank or what they gonna do? Just
Okay, so there's gonna be some stripes.
It's a stencil, right? Okay.
It's a really, that's a loose way of a stencil, you
Well,
know?
at least it's not green.
I'd have something cool like a skull and crossbones on my butt. My butt would be like the
Arr,
most
pirate.
badass butt you've ever seen.
Oh gosh.
It would be a badass.
Oh wow. What is going on? Well, there's her boyfriend, I guess.
Is
Oh,
it prank?
oh.
Is what I said.
All right.
It's like she's
That's
gonna sit
cool.
on
Yeah.
the bench and then it's
Okay.
gonna come up with the paint. Yeah.
She just was
She being a
screaming
robot?
there, and the guy on the.
Yeah, the guy's like 5 feet away.
So now the girl in the yellow top needs to.
Be careful. Do not. Okay.
This is the weirdest pickup line ever.
Did you know it has wet paint here? Oh, obviously she doesn't talk like that, but
She's like, oh no, I'm gonna have to cut my clothes off.
the guy's just walking his kid.
Taking my kid for a walk. Oh, I forgot the leash.
You come here often? Yes, I do.
Actually, that's a great idea. I could get my energy levels up.
He's like, I actually have a mixtape. Do you want to hear my mixtape? It's called Wet Paint.
Oh gosh. Wait,
She's like, are you pointing my butt? Sir, that's extremely rude.
do you like what you see?
Why is she turning like that?
It's all red.
This isn't a runway.
What is going on?
Oh my goodness. Now his butt's wet too.
What? There's a-
Oh my gosh, it's all over his back. Whoa!
What?
He's like,
Wow, you was touching this.
I'm paint resistant. I have paint superpowers. The lamest superhero in the world, Paint Man. Paint Man. Why is he like? What is he doing? You can't like turn around a little bit and see.
You just. Oh, this is painful to
This
watch.
is really painful. This acting is very, very good.